Hey everybody, it's Trish, and I wanted to give you guys a garden tour. Starting off, we've got some cauliflower that were eaten last night. I've sprayed with BT, and I believe this is a bigger animal that is eating all of my cauliflower off of my stalks here. I have some beautiful carrots coming up, but those are gone, so I'll replace them. This is a Grand Marshal tomato that's producing. I've got some more brassicas here, but whatever that animal is starting to eat them as well. So it's not a caterpillar. These are my sweet potatoes that I keep by my chair that I just talk to and love on every day. A basil that's not been eaten and falling down. Peppers that are looking beautiful. Flowers, celery. You can see I have some lettuce there. My eggplant is looking beautiful. You can see that I have a couple eggplants on there. We're going to try to fry those up here in the next few days. Put them in the air fryer. Chop them up in like fries and put them in the air fryer. This is my pool. This is where I keep my peppers. This year I've kept them in the pool so I can water them from the bottom. It's been really great. This is my strawberry patch that I tried earlier in the spring and didn't work out, but we're starting over. More tomatoes. My tomatoes have all gone berserk. They're supposed to be determinate plants, and they are. I didn't prune, so they got really big and flopped over, and kind of made a mess. As well as these others over here. This is a Blue Beauty tomato, and that is a I forgot the name of it. I'll post it when I remember. Here are some of my collard greens that I've put in for fall amongst my beans. These are collard greens. It should be beautiful by November, and hopefully we'll have some really great collard greens for Thanksgiving. Here's my sauce tomatoes. They're all starting to die back. My other bed with some chard and some long beans. Here in the back of the garden, I think I've got some cauliflower. Hopefully it'll keep that away from whatever animal is eating all of my brassicas. It could be my dog for all I know. But I don't think so, because every morning I come out and there's a little bit nibbled more. My sunflowers that are now dying back. Again, my sauce tomatoes have grown huge and fallen over, and they're all caged, but those cages just aren't enough. The tomatoes are too heavy, and they always end up falling over, so I've got to find a better way to stake them up and give them a better trellising. Here's my new green stock where I put in cauliflower and kale and collard greens. This is my new bed, and the animal is walking in here. It might be a rat for all I know. They're in my beds. They're messing with stuff. Thankfully not my tomatoes. This is a Cosmonaut Volkov tomato plant that is still producing. It is an indeterminate plant, and it will keep producing until frost. I love it. It's time to get out there and pick some of those Cosmonaut Volkovs. I've got borage at the bottom here. They're growing like crazy. This goes into showing you my trellis of my beans, my pole beans that have grown over the trellis, which looks really beautiful when they're all producing and it's all full and lovely. Thank you for watching.